Since I started reselling back around 6-7 years ago, I have come across some amazing people and some amazing items. It's a little rocky, but it'll do. Look at these little pieces. They used to put these all together. Look at these little seashells. No maker's mark. It looks like there's a set with the heart shape. Very good condition. It feels like marble. $7.99. No signatures whatsoever. But I don't want to be paying separately for this. If it was $3.99 for all of them, I would have picked them up. This looks like a nice drip glaze. Got a lot of wear on here. Not very well made. It looks good on the top side though. We have some depression glass. It looks like this might glow. Oh my goodness. Where's my keys at? I think I have my black light that goes along with this. I told myself, remember to bring the black light? Oh, look at that, folks. That's why. They must have a black light in the back. This baby glows hard. I haven't seen too much depression uranium glass that sells for much, but this sucker right here, this glows hard. I may just take this. What's inside some goodie bags? The last time I was here, I found some. Oh, is this by Moat? This might be by Moat. Moat, M-O-T-T. And G&M Goodwill makes some really good little houses. But G&M makes more like wood little glued houses. Moat makes more of the plastic ones. Oh, this might have came out of this. Some nice little Christmas ornaments. No maker's mark on them. Gonna leave those there. See if we find anything over here, ladies and gents. Well, my friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am having a good day. Just dropped my wife off to work, and I'm gonna be picking her up tomorrow for an appointment. That's nice. Nice little turn here. Gotta look carefully for maker's marks. There is a pressing line right here of a mold in both ends. This is crystal. No chips. That's on there pretty good. Oh, here's a larger one. This one's matching with that one. They want the same price. This one's a little dirtier though. Oh, this one has a crack. Everybody has a crack. Some are bigger than others. That cracked me up. Oh, this is a nice shaker. Look at this. Almost like a mosaic, but it crackled. Blue and green tones. This is nice. No sticker. They're going to be taking this to the back because if you take it up there, their new policy is that they don't sell what doesn't have a sticker. Oh, almost fell over. Almost lost my balance. Trying to look for some maker's mark. There's a lot of things that don't need maker's mark that are very valuable. One of the things I've been learning about is Blanco. Looking more into it since the last time I mentioned it. Look at this big piece. This is a big one. What is that? Made in the Philippines. Carla's motherland. 20 bucks. That is hefty. All right. Man, can you imagine shipping costs for that? Oh my goodness. Look at this glass piece right here. That is pretty. $24. I am on the hunt. I'm on the hunt for valuable glass. Sometimes this has like residue and things because it's not cleaned off. And sometimes you have to look around everywhere to see if what you think is a scratch is actually a signature. And this one is not one. But that is beautiful. Look at that. Have any of y'all ever dropped anything inside a thrift store? Like broke it? I think I have like a long time ago, but it's been so long that I don't remember. So I'm gonna say no. But I think I did one time, a very long time ago. Get down low till your knees crackle. Or not. Goodwill over here always seems to be changing things around. Excuse me, ma'am. Put a shirt on, okay? Here, over here. What do we got? Stuff like this. You have to look at the names, because sometimes you see them listed and you get excited and they aren't worth nothing. At least worth reselling. What do we got over here? Little turtle shell. Oh, this was Limonea Black Death box, originally $32. Goodwill wants $6. What's the color of the week? I didn't check. Oh, look at that. It's missing his head. Nice little toucan right here. The toucans are actually pretty big birds. Is this supposed to be Snoopy? What is this? It's very old school looking. I got some, oh, look at this. I said it looks like Snoopy, and look at this. There's peanuts in there. Oh my goodness. Do you get that? I think this is Snoopy. If this is, I'm gonna say if this is old, I'm gonna shoot for 1970s, 1960s, or it could just be something made in Mexico. Some cheapy stuff that you find in grocery stores nowadays. It looks like we have some more of those modern type of cups. It's always good to look at them either way, because you might find some vintage ones. Is this aloe vera? I don't know. There was a sticker on here, 99. They want 99 cents for this. Tijuana, BC. Usually people that buy pottery and stuff like this don't go for the names that are written on top, like Mexico and Peru and stuff like that. They want the signature on the bottom, at least from what I see. But I'm still learning about learning a lot. Some nice owls. Look at this cat over here. Pretty little meow meow. Price products, $3.99. I wonder if this was a cover to something. Got a little cornucopias over here. This right there, that little cornucopias. Think of like Thanksgiving kind of wooden straw baskets that fruit and veggies would come out of. There's a little kid on there. I thought it would be a Shara, but it's not, made in Japan. It's like the flowers broken a little. I've sold a few cornucopias. Got some crystal up here. Got some chipping. Oh, there's a name on this one. Rosenthal Studio Lenny. Looks like made in Germany. $6. Some pretty glass. But it has a lot of chips on the edges. Probably where it was being dinged and moved around up in here. And acquired some issues. Oh, this goes out to all of y'all for being the most amazing, supportive community out there. Thank you very much. So just here in Goodwill, hanging around like this guy, I do love me some trinkets. Ooh, look at that. The Grinch. That's a pretty cool figurine. I'm gonna look at that in a moment. Ooh. This is cute. Has a nice sound to it. Who made this? Mr. Christmas, made in China. Well, it definitely works. And it could be used as an ornament. That is cool. I hope this is worth reselling. Let's see. Well, it looks like this one sold not too long ago for $18 out in the UK. They're always showing me stuff that sells in the UK. I need to change the settings to US only. This is really nice though, $2.99. There's a little chip right there. A lot of people covered that up themselves using paints and stuff. Some things. What is this? This has to be censored. I don't know if you could hear it, but it is making sounds. $4.99, July 13th. No year on there. Let's leave that. Doesn't feel like it's worth it. I had to come back around for this one to look at it again because it's the only thing I seen that's like beautiful. Now that I'm looking at it, I see a little air bubble. So this is actually hand blown, several bubbles in there. And I ended up using Goodwill lens. And this is a mid-century modern vase. This is nice. There's no issues with it other than the price, because it may go for like around $75 to $90. And for $25, I just don't see that much in there for me. Plus, it's a large item. I have large items already, and I don't want to keep just getting large items taking up my space. That's another thing that's valuable. It's a nice piece. I feel like there's a ring that goes inside here. I have one at home, but it doesn't match that. What do we got here? Looks like we got a knee rover. Looks to be brand new. Oh, this is heavy. Some of these model numbers could be worth $300. I don't know what model this is though, but it looks like it has a... I have a feeling it's missing parts, or not. Man, this is probably like $100 item, but this is heavy. Let me push this back. Y'all want to see a dead body? I mean, you want to see something glow? This beautiful thing, I couldn't leave it behind at Goodwill. For the price, it's a little steep for something like this, and it'll probably only sell for around maybe high-end $40. But this beautiful piece is unlike other pieces that I've come across that were much smaller. It being a bow can be used for a lot of things to hold trinkets in and or used as a display. My top shelf right here in this curio is for my glowy glass. I finally invested in some black lights, and they are basic black lights, not anything that's special that you can't find anywhere else. But it helps things like this glow, and it's nice for display to keep for yourself or show off for guests that come over and show them. So this is going to be added to my collection, and I'll be adding photos over on Discord tonight. If you haven't joined me on Discord, it's a new type of place that I created an account to share with other people and updates with one another. So think of it as Facebook. If you don't like Facebook, it's not like it. It's a lot more private and curated to people just like you and I who love to collect things, resell things, and all of the above, checking in on one another rather than just being here, say, in the community tab on YouTube where it's only one-ended unless you comment on something, but you can't share photos. There you could share photos, and I also made threads of sections where you could add your Poshmark, knickknacks, whatnot, other things like that to promote yourself and also mingle with one another. I'm about community building and trying to figure out ways to bring people together and that are just like one another, like me and you. Let me show you this glowy and a showy before you enjoy the rest of your day, and make sure to like and subscribe. So I'm going to be using my little basic black light here on my keychain, and you're going to see how beautiful this turns out before your very eyes. Stand by. Let's lay this here. Let's close this here and turn off the lights. And then look at this little thing right here. Look how strong this is. Check out this video I picked for you to watch if you haven't seen it already. And if anything, check out the playlist. I got a lot of videos. I've been working on it for over 6 years, going on 7 years now, and excited still about what's next to come and what I'm going to come across to share with you. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the comments, and you see me again soon.